Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. Today I'm checking out these LED under the counter lights, motion detecting LED sensor lighting. Alright, so these look super neat. We have the instructions here on top, a little remote control. It's got on off, it's got dimming and lowering. It's got 3 different modes, 50% light, and then a timer on there as well. Okay, in here here is one of the light bars. This comes with, it's got a magnet built into the back so it can just stick on anything. So I go stick it on my door over here. And it also has these magnetic strips, these 3M strips. So if you want to stick it anywhere on a wall or underneath a cabinet, just peel off this backing, stick it on there, and then you can stick your light right on there. Okay, this comes with 3 of these. It's got the little charging USB port in the back, and it comes with a USB to USB-C wire, and there's 3 of these. Okay, so turn them on, long press the power button. There's a blue light here, or there's a light, I don't know if you guys can see it, it'll flash when you change the mode. So once that's on, it has the red mode, and that's day mode. So this will stay on for, I think, 15 seconds, and then it'll turn off. And as soon as it senses motion, it'll turn back on again. So during the daytime, anytime it senses motion, it'll go off when it's dark or light. And in the blue mode, when this flashes red and blue, the light there, it'll just gonna stay on. And then dark mode is when the light will go off if it's bright out. If it's dark, turn out the light here, and if it senses any motion, that'll just come on. So it's really cool. I like how, especially for like power outages or things like that, if all the power goes out and you're stumbling around the house trying to find your flashlight or your phone or whatever, these motion sensor ones are kind of nice. Or you just get up in the middle of the night and you got to go get a glass of water or something. It's nice, you just walk by and the lights turn on, so that stays on for a little bit. And then you have the remote, which you can turn it off, and that turns it back into night mode. You can turn it on, that just turns on your lights. You can dim them with the lower button, dim it all the way down to that, and then you can whatever, all the brightness. It has an automatic 50% button, put those down to 50%. Oops. And also has these 3 for night and for day and for on. So if we switch it to night, we can switch it to day. And I don't know if you guys can see the little lights flashing there. It tells you what mode it's in, so that's kind of cool. And then on. All right, and then it has timers here as well on the bottom. So you can set it for 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or 120. So the install for that, if you have anything metal, it's just automatically going to stick to it because there's a magnet built in here, so you can just stick it right on the wall there. If you want to put it under your cabinet or something like that, just peel this off, stick it to the bottom of your cabinets, and then you're good to go. This will just stick right onto that. So let's actually go do a little install, and we'll show you how it works. Oh, hi, my friends. I'm going to be installing this underneath my cabinets here, and we're just going to peel off this backing here. just like that. And I'm just going to center this on there and put it right up underneath my cabinet here. I have a little lip on my cabinet, and it's going to set right up underneath there. And it's going to fit really hidden. It's going to be hidden under there, and it's going to be super cool. So I just press that into place. It's going to stick underneath my cabinet. And there we go. So I have it set on daylight. I'm going to get all these installed. I'm going to go in my other cabinet and install it real quick. Same thing with this one. Just peel this backing off. It's probably the hardest part of this install. And I think this is going to turn out really nice here. Dun, dun, dun. Just want to make sure I get it centered in between my cabinet drawers there. And then just putting it flush right up here next to the wood and pressing it up on there. Probably you don't need to push real hard, but I'm just trying to make sure it sticks on there really good. And there it is. And I got one more to go here. Okay, and for this cabinet, I have kind of a wooden piece in a way that's right in the middle, but that's all right. Peel this off, and I'm just going to put it on the far left here. And like I said, the hardest part really is getting this plastic part off, the sticky part. Other than that, it's a snap. There we go, got it. Okay. So I'm just going to put it up there this way, just like that. There we go. All right, so I'm going to set these to when I walk in, they're going to turn on automatically. I think it's going to be really cool. Let's check it out. All right, so we'll turn my lights off. Hopefully it's dark enough that those come on when I activate it. Just walk by, and on comes my light here, one over here. And is it too light over here? I think it's too light over on there. This one comes on nicely, just walking by, and I think that looks really nice. It is daylight, so it's going to be a little bit different. I'll just turn this one on so we can see it. And there we go. All right, so the effects, it looks really cool. The lights are hidden under there. I like how they come on automatically, and it just looks really professional, actually. I think the wife's really gonna like them too. So I installed these and she doesn't know. But yeah, I'm really impressed. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Oh, I'm sorry. One more thing I forgot to mention. That's cool. Comes right on. If you need to recharge them, simply just pull the light right off of there and we can go set it on our charger. No problem. And then when we're done, just set it right back there and we're good to go.